Well, moving on, today is the 153rd birth anniversary of the Indian philosopher Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda's inspiring personality was well known both in India and the US during the last decade of the 19th century and the first decade of the 20th century. And his speech at the Parliament of Religions in Chicago in 1893 had a powerful impact on many and is still quoted extensively today.
Swami Vivekananda's life has been a great inspiration for the youth of the country. Swamiji's 153rd birth anniversary was celebrated across the nation. People paid floral tribute at the birthplace of Swami Vivekananda in Kolkata, where children participated in a rally and remembered his teachings.
I heard many things about Swami Vivekananda ji that gives me inspiration, attachment towards him.
विवेकानंद जी तो हम लोग यंग जनरेशन के लिए बहुत मोटिवेशन करते हैं. हम लोग के लिए उनका जो रूल्स है, उनका जो नियम है, उनका जो बना हुआ सब जितना भी बातें हैं जो वो हम लोगों के लिए तो बहुत मायने रखते हैं.
In Jharkhand too, Vivekananda's birth anniversary was celebrated as a youth festival. On the first days of this festival, children and NCC cadets participated in a rally. Jharkhand Chief Minister Raghuvar Das performed Bhumi Pujan on the spot in the capital city Ranchi, where a statue of Swamiji will be established. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also paid tribute to Swami Vivekananda on his birthday. Born in Kolkata in 1863 to an affluent Bengali family, Swami Vivekananda was known as Narendranath. He was well versed with the knowledge of Eastern and Western culture. His initial beliefs were shaped by Brahm concepts, which included belief in a formless God. His guru Ramakrishna Paramhans made him aware of the depth of spirituality and its importance in human life. Swami Vivekananda strongly opposed superstition and casteism prevalent in the society and enlightened people. He is credited with bringing Indian civilization and spirituality to the status of a major world religion during the late 19th century. He founded the Ramakrishna Mutt and the Ramakrishna Mission. He is perhaps best known for his speech at the Parliament of the World's Religions in Chicago in 1893, which began with the famous words, "Sisters and Brothers of America." His life will keep on inspiring us. News Desk, DD News.